Hi homie, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I'm gonna teach you how to crochet charming and easy crochet back strap or back handle. Are you ready? So let's see. Start the slip knot, then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the third chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Turn your work. Insert your hook under this stitch and pull up loop. You will see 2 loops on the side. Insert your hook into the second loop and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Turn your work. Insert your hook under these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into these 3 loops on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops and repeat. Insert your hook under these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook in 3 loops on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Keep repeating. Continue until you reach the desired length. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Take care.